Hello and welcome to another Wealth Builders Elite video. So today Ethereum's price is around $3,750, and that means that we earn more staking rewards on our Lido. So I've got 6.0665 Ethereum here, well ST which is pegged to Ethereum because I'm staking my Ethereum, and I get this ST that I can now use. I can sell it if I want to. I can put it into other protocols. I can do whatever I want, but that's equivalent to my Ethereum that's already staked. So this amount of ST is worth around, if I go to the calculator, which I'm going to show you now, it's worth around $22,701. So that's what my Ethereum is worth at this moment, and that is what I'm staking, and that's what I'm earning rewards on. I'm earning around $83.24 a month here, around $998 a year, and I'm only interested in the actual Ethereum amount. I'm not interested in the dollar amount here, because what we want to do is accumulate as much Ethereum as possible. I'm not interested in the actual dollar amount. Okay, so this doesn't mean anything to me. Only this means something to me here. So as we see, Ethereum's price is going up. It's about 9% now here, and it's been going up and up and up. If I click on Ethereum here, very interesting to see how Ethereum has been growing in the last 24 hours. In the last 48 hours, to be honest with you, it really has done some big things. So you can see here, it's actually shot up. So that's just January, but if we go here, you can see this is just August the 27th, and it's literally shot up from around 3,319 all the way up to 7,151. Sorry, 3,751. So from 3,319 to 3,751, very quickly. Okay, so Ethereum is doing some big things, and if you're staking your Ethereum, you'll be making more rewards on your Ethereum that you have staked. Okay, a lot of people are staking in different places. They have their Ethereum in Binance, or they have their Ethereum in Celsius wallet, or they have their Ethereum in Coinbase or Kraken or Gemini, or wherever you have your, or crypto.com, wherever you have your Ethereum earning yield, earning interest for you. Okay, it's entirely up to the individual where you stake or keep your crypto. Just be aware of what you're doing. Now, the reason why I've chosen Lido as a place to stake my Ethereum is because I like the way that they are minimizing the risk, and they are staking across many validators at the same time. Okay, they're not just staking across one validator, they are actually staking across many. Okay, so when you do stake with Lido, your Ethereum is going directly into the Ethereum 2.0 smart contract. You can't withdraw your actual Ethereum, because it's when you stake on Ethereum 2.0, it stays there until the beacon chain is live, until Ethereum 2.0 is live. It's not live yet. It'll be live soon, hopefully within a year or two. I'm hoping that it will be live. Once it's live, you'll be able to actually withdraw your Ethereum from your actual, unstake your Ethereum from Lido. You'll be able to do that. But at the moment, while you stake your Ethereum with Lido, you're going to get these tokens which are pegged to Ethereum, ST, so you can still do stuff with your Ethereum while it's in staking, and that's why we call this liquid staking. Okay, so you get this ST, and you can put it into different protocols like Curve, like Yearn.finance, like Anchor. You can do all of these things, and you can start earning yield off of your ST. Okay, now what I'm doing is I am just earning the Ethereum staking rewards, and I'm not actually putting these into any protocols. All I want to do right now is accumulate more Ethereum. Okay, that's all I'm interested in doing, accumulating more of this ST value. Okay, every single day, because this updates every single day at 4.4%. This will adjust depending on the amount of Ethereum that's staked on through Lido. Okay, so this percentage will go down depending on that. Okay, Lido do take a 10% fee for admin and everything, because they are managing the process for you. For me, I think there's nothing wrong with that, especially because it's an ease of use, and I can do it all from my Nano Ledger, stake, submit, done. Okay, all done, and I just let it run every day. Okay. I love the calculator, the rewards calculator. You can put the amount here. What I would love to make is around 100 Ethereum. That's my aim. So if I put 100 Ethereum here, you can say 100 Ethereum is going to make me about 4.4 Ethereum a year, and around 0.36 Ethereum a month. And if you believe that one Ethereum can go to 20,000, okay, if you believe that one Ethereum could go to 20,000, then this will be 20,000 times 4. You're going to make around $80,000 in Ethereum a year. Okay, that's a pretty decent salary, if I may say so myself, depending on what job you're doing. Just imagine making $80,000 a year in Ethereum. Okay, and if you already have a day job, you may just want to stack that $80,000 a year. So for me, I would love to have this at 100 Ethereum and earn the 4.4 Ethereum a year. Okay, now, like I said, these rewards will go down depending on the amount of people that are staking, but it's still more than any bank will pay you. Okay, no bank's going to pay you 4% a year. No bank's going to even pay you 2% a year. If you're lucky, you will get 1% a year. If you're lucky, you may even get, I don't know, I think 1% a year is even reaching, to be honest. So 4.4% a year is amazing, and we're able to earn that here with staking on Lido for Ethereum 2.0. If you want to know more about Lido, I'll leave a link to my, let me go back, I don't know what I've done here. So I'll leave a link to my Rolodex. So you can see this is my Rolodex, which if you scroll down, you see where it says Ethereum 2.0 liquid staking with Lido Finance. Okay, so click on this button and you'll get taken to this page. All you need to do is watch this video. It will show you this video will show you myself actually staking my ETH through Lido. And then you can if you don't have a ledger, you can buy a ledger, which is a hardware wallet. Okay, crypto hardware wallet, one of them that I recommend. Okay, if you don't have Ledger Live, you can download it here. Ledger Live is what I use to actually interact with Lido through Ledger Live, which you can download this on Mac or Windows. Okay, you can even use it on your phone. Then here, this is the link. You can click on this link if you want to stake directly without actually using a Ledger Live. You can use it directly through the actual website. This is the correct one. If you go here and click on this button here, take you directly to where you can stake without a ledger. And if you scroll down, you can watch these videos. This video here is a presentation by one of the co-founders of Lido. Okay, and here is another video here which is about Ethereum security in liquid staking, another one by the co-founder of Lido as well. So you want to watch these videos. They're very informative. You'll learn about what Lido is, what they're doing, why it's something that you may want to take into consideration when staking your Ethereum. Okay, and if you want to make an informed decision of it, you can check out the actual if I go here and go back to the actual site, if I go to lido.finance, then you may want to go to the about and go to the FAQ, and you may want to go through these so that you understand what the risks are, understand what STETH is, what LDO is, how is Lido secure, the smart contracts, audits, because people always want to know, are there any audits, have they been checked to see how safe are they, all of that stuff. You can actually see the audits here. You can go through. Everything is available on GitHub. It's all open source, available for people to see. Can read all of this. I'm not going to go into all of it, but you want to read Lido architecture, staking, widgets, and Ethereum 2.0. A lot of information here. Together with the videos, you'll understand and you'll be able to make an informed decision. So very, very good. If I were you, check it out. Many Ethereum is going through Lido, and people are staking through Lido. They've hit over 1 million Ethereum inside their smart contract, and over 1 million Ethereums staked on Ethereum 2.0 beacon chain. So that is a huge amount of Ethereum. So people, be very aware that there's a large percentage of Ethereum 2.0 staked through Lido, a large percent, you know. So I think it's around 15% of the Ethereum on Ethereum 2.0 is through Lido, which is a huge amount. Think about that. It's a huge amount. Another thing you can do is on the actual Lido website, you can go through products, okay, products, and you can click on Nansen Analytics or Dune Analytics. Click on Nansen Analytics, and you're gonna get this dashboard. And in this dashboard, you're gonna be able to see a lot of stuff here. So in this dashboard, you can see now that there's 1.14 million Ethereum deposited on the beacon chain, staking, okay, and this has gone up by 0.18, which is in the last day. Okay, so it's gone up by 0.18. There's 14,000 depositors. 14,000 people have deposited Ethereum here. You can see how it's gone up. Okay, so just in August there was over 687,000, and it's gone up steeply. Now it's September, and we have over 1,141,000 Ethereum staked, and it's just rising. You can see it's rising here. If I scroll down here, you can see the largest staking transactions. You can also see here the top STETH balances. You can see that. Scroll down here, you can see the DAO, these voters, because they vote on governance, because it's a governance token, LDO, which is Lido's token. You can see when votes are being made on different things here. So very, very powerful. You can see STETH here, the liquidity. This the STETH on exchanges is telling you here. These mostly on Curve, 1inch, Uniswap. Powerful stuff. So you can check this out if you want to see numbers. Also, you can go to Dune Analytics as well, which is another one you can check. So we got here, tells you how many staked Ethereum 2.0 contract, tells you here. This is through a different provider, and it tells you the deposit number, total stake number. Ethereum staked in Lido is 14.22%. Yeah, I don't know if this is the most current percentage or the most current one, but I know it updates regularly. So the best thing to check both, which is good. So we've got different products you can check. You can actually go and look at this one here. It tells you the grants initiative and referral program, so Lido ecosystem, so you can see the different places where the STETH token can be used, swapped, used to earn yield, whatever. Okay, so ledgers there as well, and yeah, ledgers there, and these other places, there's quite a few of them here, so you can actually check it out. You can actually see how you can get STETH, how you can use STETH, and how you can hold STETH is here as well. So it tells you the platforms. So everything is definitely on the actual website. You can check it all out, and you won't go wrong. Very, very good project. Love it. earning Ethereum every day, staking it, and making more than any bank would ever make you. So anyways, people, thank you very much for watching this video. Hope this has been informative for you. Check out all the information or the past videos I've made as well, and see if it's interesting for you, see if it's something that you want to do, and get started staking your Ethereum. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.